to break up that fight and secure the chemicals. What's in the canister?
A gift for El Jefe. One of many.
Where are the others?
I will say no more.
Brother, we are at the fort, but the Duende Cobblepot has sent his men to oppose us. You must come.
I have what I need.
Aren't meant for you, so back off!
Back him down! I am a living weapon! I'll take your eyes! I will make good use of this!
My victory was not meant to be.
Where's the canister?
Blown away. You'll never find it.
Sir, your suit is picking up trace elements of a compound used in the manufacturing of venom. It appears the canisters contain ingredients necessary for its creation.
I need to find out where they've taken them.
May I suggest scanning the area? They could have left something behind that points to their destination.
Looks like they're heading to my alibi.
Plenty of diners, none of them open. We could break into one. We'll imagine? Sorry, officer. Give me a break, will ya? That's right. Let's go join the party. I know you want a piece of me.
Available units call-in status. Possible assignment incoming.
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. But when the boss finds out about this,
He will stay away if he values his life.
ah!
The Bat! You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
I cannot see!
Who are you?
They call me Bird.
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They'll want to bring these men in for questioning.